welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and welcome to the family. Join this family. I hope to see you in my next video. Ciao. But if you're an old subscriber, thank you for tuning in again. You're welcome to Makeup with Kiki. Anyway, today's Wednesday, so we're doing Makeup with Kiki, obviously. So today I'm going, from title you can already see that I'm going to be doing a fall halo eye look. I'm officially in fall, so I'm in for fall, autumn, yeah. So I'm going to be doing something of that sort, something you can actually rock in this, in this weather, because you're gonna be looking cutesy, all brownish and fallish. Anyway, without any hesitation, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, brows done, so we're just going to put concealer as the base of our eyeshadow for now. Always make sure your base is very, very smooth. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be using this color just to do like my crease and that. Okay guys, so this is a light brown, so I'm going to be going in with a very orangey red, I don't know, but like this shade with the brown. So let's see. So now I'm just going to go back in with my brown, just so blend things all together. If you notice, I'm trying not to give like just one shade, like it's just brown. That's why I decided to work with the orangey red, if that's it called. So I'm going to go in with this brown. It's quite dark, so that's how I'm going with. I'm going to put it at my inner corner, like more like this side. It looks more like purple, I think, when you put it on. Like it's looking like a very dark purple. It's just really dark brown. Okay, if you notice, like I'm actually putting the color like in my inner corner and like on the outer side and blending. So I'm trying to leave the middle to be free, but it's already covered. But okay, we're going to clean it off, but you get the concept. Now that I'm done with that, I just want to go back in with little of my orange and then the lighter brown that I used. Blending is key. It's like a key thing when it comes to makeup, so always make sure your colors are properly blended. Again, my brown. I don't know if you can see a difference between this and this. This is looking like totally dark, but this is blended out. It looks like it's fading out into like a lighter brown, orangey type of thing. You can't really get the color, so it can't be figured out. Get me? Okay guys, now the eye has come. So now I'm just like putting like my eyeshadow base at the center of my eyes, because that's where like the major cut is going to be. So now after that, I'm just going to take a very flat brush. I don't know. Yeah, I'm going to take a very flat brush and just try to make not like a cut crease, but like a cut crease. I don't know if that makes sense. Or it's not going to get to the end, and it's not going to be like from the beginning. So it's just going to be at the middle. How to cut your halo crease. Does that make sense? But this is how it's actually cut now. This is what it looks like. So I'm just going to do the other one so we can put in the color. Okay, now guys, this is the shape. It's just at the middle. Even like this here, it's already looking nice because it's just there. So I'm just going to tap into my eyeshadow base to give it a smooth base, or to get a smooth base. Okay, now I'm going to be going in with a very sharp gold. I kind of like it. So I honestly just want to leave a little space. I'm not going to put like the gold to the upper part. I want that like little white line to be there. So after properly putting in your color, you want to go in with the color you used for this side and just blend it into it so it won't look, you know, like it's standing on its own. And you can also put in your gold again. It's all about blending. And yeah, that's it. So I think I'm still going to put the white line that I want there properly on my own. So let me just do the other eye and get back to. So I'm going to put a very tiny eyeliner, like just a little, you know. At this point, I don't know, I was going to do like a half wing thing then blend it, but I think I would like it to be a full wing now. I'm actually really confused because I like them both. Okay, this is not bad, this is cute. So I think we're going to go with this. I'm gonna be your mate, not your mate. Okay guys, this is what it looks like now with the wing and with the everything. I really love it. Now I'm feeling the vibe to go extra to do the inner corner eyeliner, so I guess I'll just do that and then move on to the skin work. I'm model for you guys. This is very beautiful, guys. Very, very beautiful. So now I'm just going to highlight my face, do every other thing, and yeah. Guys, we're done with the skin work. So for the lips, I had the intention of doing something very brown for the lips, but now I think I'm just going to make it a little bit brighter, not just all brown. You get? So ooh, so nudie. I don't have this color of lipstick, so I'm just actually using my concealer. And I love it. I'm so tempted to put gloss because like I feel like I look so matte and so brown. So let me just use, oops. Okay guys, that's it for this look. I just used gloss on the lip, so I'm just going to set my face. As the setting spray is sitting in, let me just arrange my hair. Those of you that have been thinking this thing is about to come out as edges, it's not edges, yeah. I actually just put my scarf on to push the hair back so I can actually do my face properly. Okay, so don't expect any edges, don't expect anything, okay? Okay guys, I love what I look like. I look very matte, very brown, very polished. I look like I'm going for a seminar and I'm going to present, you know. That's how we roll, you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed every bit of this tutorial, and I actually worked with colors that you could easily get from any palette. So I hope you create this look, and try to tag me when you do this thing, when you recreate it, or send me a picture of you trying to recreate it. It actually makes my day. Your comments make my day. With that being said, thank you for staying till this point. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.